Hello, my name's Glenn John. I'm a product director at Superhuman, formerly Grammarly, to tell you a bit about how we're using Figma Make. So I want to start with a scenario that we had recently where we rebranded the company to Superhuman, and we had to do a whole bunch of rebranding of all our assets. We had an integration store, Coda, the Coda Gallery, with great integrations with things like Figma, and we needed to put them into the new design style. But we had hundreds of these things, so there was a lot to make. And I wondered, could Figma Make help here? And what's great about Figma Make is this is where we do all our designs already. So I could write a prompt, I could go copy and paste from the design files, had all these great background designs made by our designers, paste it in, and away it went. And I love watching Figma Make build a little to-do list and watch it doing that so I can kind of see what it's up to in a really easy to understand way. And it created this app for me. And I had this app that could create those assets that I needed without having to spend lots of designers' time. I have a few more prompts. I even added some bulk generation so I could stick in a whole bunch of things at once. And it just spat out all of these images I needed to update to our new branding. And the other thing I love about using Figma Make compared to some other tools is I can go edit this stuff directly. So I can go straight in, I can change in the text, padding, layouts, all sorts of things in there without having to prompt or having to change there. So I can really get this tool into the way I needed it. And once I was done with this, the last thing I love is I don't have to worry about deploys or any of that. I can just go straight to share like I do with anything else in Figma, and I could share it with the team. And now they have a tool that they can use to create these new assets. So it saved us a ton of time. And this has sparked a whole bunch of us at Superhuman using Make to create our prototypes, to create these new tools. And I love how much it pairs design and product together. So that's the type of thing we're doing at Superhuman. So if you'd love to be a part of that, then get in touch. Thank you.